Hi everyone, good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, very good evening, Tao. Thanks for joining today's session. So, just to give me 2 minutes, we will wait for who can join with this demo session. And before that, so please introduce yourself, your work experience. Do you in IT, or are you new to IT industry? So please go by with alphabetic order. Anchal Yadav, can you please introduce yourself? What is your education background? Any work experience in IT? Okay, Anchal, I think Anil, you can also introduce yourself if you can hear me.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, my name is Anil. I am from Guntur. I had completed my BTech in 2016 post out actually. After then, total four to 5 years of experience and non-IT work experience. And 1 year is the Mendix development.
Okay,
After then, I'm looking this one.
okay, you previously worked with Mendix.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
just one.
okay, nice. Okay,
Yeah, 1 year only.
okay,
Just after layoff
okay,
that one. That's
okay, nice, nice to
cloud.
hear, Anil.
Yeah.
Yeah. Avinash, can you please introduce yourself? Okay, Harshita, you? Harshita,
Hi.
okay.
Hi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, please
I'm
introduce
2000,
yourself. Yeah.
yes, I'm Harshita and I've passed out in 2015. I have total experience of 7 years in non-IT.
Okay, non-IT.
Non-IT.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
nice. Okay,
Yes. Thank you.
okay, okay. Like Gayatri, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hello, good evening, everyone. I'm Gayatri. I'm a 2021 passed out. I'm a BA CSE graduate. I worked as a QA tester and developer. So I'm looking into switching into service now.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think we can start our demo session. So we have enough audience to start this session. Okay, let me share my screen to you guys. I hope you're all are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, let me introduce myself. So my name is Saida, and I have around more than 11 years experience in IT. And since last 8 years, I'm in with Servicenow. I'm working with Servicenow products. And last 4 to 5 years, with my interest, I started training. I started giving the training and interviews, help everything I do since last 4 5 years. And I trained many more than 1,000 students since last 45 years. And parallelly, I'm also working with multiple companies. So I almost worked with 5 companies with different customers, and across all the modules in ServiceNow I have worked on. Okay. Okay, let's come to ServiceNow topic. So basically, this session we divided into different parts. So I am going to explain about the ServiceNow introduction, and I will explain what is ServiceNow and the benefits of the ServiceNow, and who uses the ServiceNow, and the ServiceNow basically products. So what are the main products we have in ServiceNow, and who can learn the ServiceNow? So I'm going to explain these topics in our demo session. Okay. And then if we go to the next slide. So basically ServiceNow, what is ServiceNow? We can discuss here. So ServiceNow, it is a software platform that supports ITSM and other common business processes. So basically ServiceNow, it is a cloud-based IT platform. So you don't need to install any infrastructure. You don't need to use any infrastructure for to maintain this ServiceNow. Directly, you can take the purchase. You can take the subscription from the ServiceNow company. So as per your subscription, you can use n number of modules, whatever the modules we have available in the ServiceNow. So you can use them. Okay, and basically it is a if we go to the second point, it is a platform as a service provider. So not only if you take the subscription, if you purchase any license from the ServiceNow, you can enhance your applications. So you don't need to use the same applications as it is made, but you can enhance your application with your platform. So they are also giving the platform to enhance the applications. And the third one is the software as a service. So they are giving as a software as a service. So we don't need to purchase all the modules as per your company requirement. You can take the subscription as per that. Okay, like if you go to some small example in TV, the Tata Sky package, you based on the regional package and based on the sports. So you take the subscription like that in ServiceNow, you have many modules, and based on your requirement, you can take the subscription. And second point, if you remember that platform as a service. So if you take the Gmail, it is a mailbox, so you can use it from the Google, but you can't customize it. Okay, whatever the ServiceNow is developed, you can use it. But ServiceNow, whatever the Google is developed, that Gmail service, you can use it. But ServiceNow is giving a platform to write the script to enhance the existing functionality. Okay, and let's come to the last point. It was founded by Fred Luddy in 2003, headquartered in California. Basically, this company started with in 2003 and headquartered in California. Okay, let's come to the benefits of the ServiceNow. What is so basically, as we discussed, it is a cloud application platform. It is hosted in the cloud. So service only, they maintain all these servers. We don't require directly. You can type the URL in your browser directly. You can use it the ServiceNow. Okay, and you don't need to maintain infrastructure like a servers, databases. You don't need to worry about this. Okay, basically it is hosted in the cloud. So coming to next point, based on ITL guidelines. So everybody should aware about the what is ITL. ITL, it is a industry standard infrastructure, IT information technology in infrastructure library. That is observation that. So whole in the world, every company, whoever the provider the IT services, they maintain this ITL guidelines. It is like a ISA mark. If you purchase some product, you check the ISA mark, right? Like that. So it is ITL is it is industry standards. So to provide the IT support to the any one service, we follow this ITL guidelines. So every company will follow this only this guide. So it is ServiceNow also developed the application as per this ITL guidelines. Okay, so everybody can adopt the ServiceNow system to their company. Okay, and if we go to the next point, here we have the easily customizable with JavaScript. You don't need to write the multi languages in the ServiceNow. With the JavaScript only, we can enhance the ServiceNow with the and JavaScript. So basically, ITL ServiceNow is already developed with ITI. ServiceNow is giving 90% as per the ITL guidelines for every company. But if you have development team, you can enhance with JavaScript as per your company requirement. Okay. So data confidentiality and integrity. So data is very secure in the cloud. So nobody can touch your data of the any company. So it is very confidentiality and integrity. And next point is the continuity of the service. It gives the service 24/7 and it with zero downtime. So service now doesn't go down. It is continue of the service. It can continuously 365 days, 24/7. It provides the service and on-demand service management. Okay, whenever you require any services from ServiceNow also, we can take the service from the ServiceNow, it on-demand IT service management and customer self. So whoever customers like a self-service, if you purchase the ServiceNow subscription, directly you can activate the plugins and directly self-service means we can request the services. Okay, so, okay, like and language translation. So across the world, we have the many languages. So English is widely used languages, but my customer is from Europe, so they are not good with the English. So they want ServiceNow to their in local language, French language. So ServiceNow supports many languages like Japanese, Chinese, English, and not Hindi local languages. Hindi doesn't, they don't support. Like famous that every country has the national languages, it supports in the many languages. So you open, if you open in the English, but the same your customer or if your teammate you open in the French. Am I audible to you? Yeah, okay. Internet is an issue. Okay. So customer language trans. So it's supposed to be a powerful reporting. Yeah. Powerful reporting. So multiple type of the reports. So for the reporting, we can create the like in Excel sheet we create reports, right? So like that in the service now purpose, like your managers and your directors, your project manager, they can see the all the reports in the service now. And the law, this one is the free PDA to practice. So normally, if you want to practice any licensed project, it is not very easy to get them like a crack version. It is, but ServiceNow is giving free of cost. So if you have Gmail account, you can request an instance. So in ServiceNow, normally we call it as instance. If you can request free instance with your Gmail account, you can practice in the ServiceNow. So it is like a same how the customer is like, let's take an example, IBM. So IBM, how they are using the ServiceNow, the same like you get the ServiceNow here also. Okay. And easy auto upgrade. So ServiceNow can so every year they releases some releases. Okay, like in our mobile, so every time we get latest updates from the Apple or Android, right? So ServiceNow also every year they releases two versions. So in the latest releases, they give the latest features and they add the latest features like how we get in the mobile. If you install the latest version, we may get some features, right? So like that, ServiceNow also they are giving new features and it is auto version upgrade. Automatically they will upgrade. We don't need to worry about the version upgrade. ServiceNow can automatically they give the some schedules. So if you provide some schedules to them, I want to upgrade particular this week. So they will decide the schedules and they will provide the schedules. Okay. So we don't need to worry about the. So these are the some of the benefits of the ServiceNow. So I listed here. There are many. In upcoming classes, I will explain what are the some. These are the some of the main of the benefits of the ServiceNow. So this is the architecture of the ServiceNow. Okay, let's come to the ServiceNow data center. So ServiceNow data center, they maintain all our data, like our company users data, like transaction data, every day, everything they maintain. So this is the ServiceNow firewall. So from ServiceNow, they put some restriction and let's come to customer. Customer firewall means our company, whatever the company we are using the ServiceNow company firewall. And the last one is the user interface. So this is the basically architecture of the how data is being transformed from ServiceNow to our user. Last one is the first one is the user interface from here to some ServiceNow data center to some user interface. This is how data being exchanged from the ServiceNow data center. So we don't maintain the data center here. ServiceNow will take care of it. Okay. So here is the slides. It explains who are regularly uses the ServiceNow. Okay. So like first one is the employees. So employees mean regular employees. So the who are not part of the service admin team. So there's those we call it as employees. So we are admin teams, so we maintain everything. But who are using the end user? So those we call it as a normal employees role. So employees to report issues. So if you have some issue in your laptop or if you have issues with your internet, so you can report some issues with and you can request IT services. IT services if you want to install the Microsoft Office in your laptop. This is small examples I'm saying. So in come upcoming, I can tell you the what are the real time what we use in the real time enterprises applications. Okay. So next one is the IT support stub. So once you created any issue, it goes to the normally IT support. So they do verify your issue and they will transfer this call to appropriate team who supports that product. They will transfer. If you request if you created issue with micro outlook, they will transfer to different team. If you raise the issue with your laptop, they will transfer to hardware team. So based on the your issue, every company maintains the IT support like a help desk. Even if you call to some customer center, so first initial one team will pick up your call, they will listen your question and issue, they will transfer to the higher level departments. So those we call them IT support, okay, to manage the service request, incidents and the problem. So the third one is the administrators. So administrators means every tool has some administrator. So what they do, they give the access to the new employees. So they change the access levels. They maintain everything of the system. Okay, as an implement administrator. Next one is the implementers. Implementers, if your company is purchasing the new license from the Servicenow, so they will implement the Servicenow system as per your company architecture. So before that, they might use some other tools before Servicenow like BMC Remedy. So those are the some competitors of Servicenow. So we have to transfer the existing system data to Servicenow. So these implementers will take care of the to implement. So initial setup they will do like how we fix the TV. Once you purchase the TV in your home, so somebody will come technician, they will install everything, they will make it ready to use it. So those we call it as implementer. In Servicenow also we have the implementers, they deploy all across the application and platform features as per the your company needs. And the developers. So developers, so Servicenow is we purchased the license and we started using, and your customers are asking, I want to add this functionality to this form. I want to add some more fields to the display the form. So what the developers, they will take the requirement from your customer and they will provide estimated efforts, everything, and they will start developing the new functionality what customer is asking. Okay, if it is not possible from the Servicenow, then we can start implementing. Okay, then next products of the Servicenow. So here are the some of the products of the Servicenow. Here you can see. So service management related, if you go to the red color one, service management related to some applications are like the asset change, problem, incident. I will explain what these applications in detail in upcoming slides. So these are the some applications. We have the category like a business management. We have the risk management, vendor, audit, test, demand management comes under the business management. And here you can see the operations management, discovery, service mapping, orchestration, event management. So these are the some of the applications. Like we have many like HR related applications. We have like telecommunications applications we have. I just used this slide to show some of the applications we have. So now Servicenow became is a they introduced all the industry applications, healthcare applications, and field level service management. So as per it is like competitor to the SAP, I can say like that. But SAP is very it has very good customers market. But SAP ServiceNow is also becoming like that. Okay. So here you can see who can learn the ServiceNow. So as of now, so ServiceNow is very easy to learn from who doesn't have any work experience in IT. So there are no prerequisites to learn. Who are having the simple degree, whether degree or BTech, anything, who can they must have the valid degree. So then they can learn this ServiceNow. They must have this they should learn. So and the second point is the awareness of the any programming language, whether it is a JavaScript, Python, anything, awareness of the programming knowledge would be little helpful during the course. If you have some already background knowledge, it is an added advantages. Okay, just you can learn very easily when you compare with a non-native candidate. So it's just a 10% advantage. But without coding skills also we can learn service now. Just we have to put some extra efforts. Okay, that is only just a difference. Okay. So here you can see the ServiceNow releases. Okay, ServiceNow comes with new releases and new features. So as I said earlier in the previous slide, ServiceNow they release every year 2 releases with new features. Okay, and the new feature, the new release names, they follow alphabetic order. If you see here, last 10, last 5, 6 I have mentioned. So Paris, Orlando, Quebec, Rome, San Diego, they follow some city names here, the Tokyo, Utah, Vancouver, Washington, US, Janadu. So they follow some unique names and they follow this alphabetic order. Okay. Next, the latest my company is using Washington. The latest one is the Janadu. It is for the available for the personal development who are now how we are practicing, right? So who are the latest one is Janadu available, and every year ServiceNow releases 2 versions. So every year they releases the 2 versions. So we can see what are the next upcoming 4 releases, what we have the features they will provide in the ServiceNow document side. You can follow them there. Okay. So as we discussed in previous, so normally once you get a ServiceNow job here, so you might get these kind of roles in your project. So basically, so first one is the ServiceNow administrator. So who are having the only administration knowledge, so they will assign this role to the who are having the only admin. So regularly they do follow the they do give the accesses to the new employees, and they do create the reports and the basic administration tasks they do follow. And coming to the ServiceNow developer, so as discussed, they work everything in the ServiceNow. Okay. So they do work on the development stories, so to enhance the existing functionality. And the third one is the ServiceNow implementation specialist. As I said, so to implement any new applications which are not already there in your customer, which are not, so we have to provide the documentation how to use this application, how we implement this in our production environment, what are the roles, everything. Implementation specialist will take care about this for the initial setup. Okay. Okay, next one is the ServiceNow architect. He is like a architect, so he should know everything in the ServiceNow across the all the modules. So if you want to become architect, you should have at least 4 to 5 years experience in ServiceNow. You should have knowledge on each and every part of the. Okay, so he leads the team and he provided some solutions. So if something is not possible with the ServiceNow developer, he comes to architect. So he will ask for the this is my requirement. It is not possible as per my knowledge. Then developer will ask the architect. So architect will provide some solution to developer. So he helps the team, and he also reaches customers to for the new solutions as per the customer requirement. He provides the solution. And the last one is the ServiceNow QA. So many projects, so they don't use QA. QA means quality analysis. So so ServiceNow developer, they configured new functionality, and before business testing, ServiceNow QA will verify the functionality, and once he provided the sign off, I mean, once he is provided it is working as expected, then he promotes to the business. Okay, internal team they work together. Okay. So next one is the this is the one of the demand modules applications in ServiceNow. So initially everybody will start learning about the ServiceNow with these applications only. So IT service management, information technology, IT service management. So in this modules, we have the incident management application, problem management application, change management application, service request management application, and the knowledge management application. So in this training we are going to complete these modules. 1 minute. So in this training, we are going to cover all these modules in detail, how they are working, how we are working in the real-time organizations. I will explain all the scenarios. So first discuss what is incident management. So let me open one notepad. So incident management, how we use the incident management in an organization or real-time scenarios. So today you have a issue with your Outlook or you are unable to receive emails from your teammates or your. So what you do, you go to Servicenow. So I'm just opening the Servicenow basic thing. So this is a Servicenow, how a company, this is the personal development instance. So I will tell you I will show you how my company instance also looks like. So what you do, you go to incident, you type incident here. This is the incident main module. So you go to the incident form. I'm having some cough. So issues there. Okay, I'll explain, let it open. Okay, incident management, what you do if you have any issue, let's take a small example in our home. So every day we use internet, right? So you might be using Excel or Active. So if incident is, if the net is down, what you do, you go to that app, you must have the app in your mobile. You go to that, you create one issue that internet is not working since morning. So what they do, once the incident will be created on your account, it will be assigned to the technician who stays near to your home. So the technician will come and they will check your router settings, everything. They will fix the issue. So it is called an incident. Is an unplanned interruption. Suddenly some service is not working. So we use incident management to follow that. So this is the incident management. Normal in ServiceNow they are giving. So we write the issue here. My internet is not working. So like that, you select your name. Like, I'm just selecting any random name. So you select your name, you create incident. Okay. So like this, we submit our ticket, or normally in general scenarios, we call it as a ticket. Normally in organization, we call it as an incident. Okay. So this ticket will be worked by some group, assignment group, and they will fix your issue. So this is how the incident management work. Okay, based on the priority, if it is a so incident out. So next thing is we are going to discuss about the problem management. So your incident is completed, but tomorrow or after 2 days, again the issue came, and not only you, in your neighbors also facing the same internet issue in your street, or if you are staying in a gated community, your tower flatmates also everybody is facing issue. So you create so everybody created many incidents. Okay, I think some 20 incidents are submitted for the same issue in your gated community. So what active people will do, they create one problem ticket. So instead of working on multiple 20 incident, they create one problem ticket, they assign the problem to one technician. So because the incident happened in the same area to the same community people, so what they do, they will create one problem incident, they assign to the technician. So the technician will come, he checks everywhere in your community about the configure that server room. They might have some server room. They go and check, they feel that some equipment needs to be replaced in your community. So what they do, they create a problem ticket. They will find the root cause. What is exact root cause of that issue? Why many people are having this internet issue? So we find the root cause of that issue with the problem management. So what they do, they go to the problem. So here we have the problem table. So they create the problem and they do find the root cause analysis. Here you can see the root cause analysis they find, and they fix the problem permanently. Incident management, we get the solution temporarily. So for the temporary solution only, but the problem management, we find the root cause issue permanently. Okay. Permanent 6, we use that one. Okay. Next one is the change management. So in the problem management, they find some equipment. Some equipment is main router is not working. So what they do, they create one change management, and they will ask the community members. So what is your downtime? Downtime means when when in the midnight, normally in the early morning, we don't use internet every day, right? In the morning. So in the everyday in the morning, they come and they replace the equipment. If they replace the equipment in the afternoon, so many people will get affected, right? Well, changing the equipment in the server room, so it will affect the many people. So for that, they follow the change management protocol. So they create a change management. They take approval from the all the committee members. So this is the time I am going to change this equipment. So it may affect the it may affect the services. So like this, we follow some change management process. So there are many types of the change. There are 3 types of the changes we have. But I'm in a single word, I'm just explaining. Just we take the approvals and we schedule a one time to change the equipment, anything, whether it is in your organization or it is in your gated community. We follow the change management to minimize the impact of the any changes. Or if you want to if you want to enhance if you want to increase the speed also, they do like this. So this is with these 3 applications, we provide the IT services to the end users. So incident management is a temporary fix, problem management to identify the root cause analysis, how this issue happened. With the change management, we can change the existing services and we can enhance the existing services with the change management. Okay. So next one is the service request application or service catalog application, anything. So service request application, when you join any new company, first thing you need an access to enter into the office. So one is the ID card access. First is the ID card access, right? Okay, next one is the laptop. Second one is the seat allocation. So these are the basic things when you join any new company. So what we'll do? So it's like in the Servicenow, you go to the Servicenow application, service request application. You order whatever the basic things you need to enter into the office when you join. So somebody can request for you ID card access, laptop, seat allocation. So initially it goes for approval to your manager. So once your manager is approved, everything will be allocated to you. So for this, we use the service request application to order any services, to order any goods, to get the seat allocation, everything. We can order from it is like Amazon application. In Amazon applications, we can order mobile phones, laptops, home, whatever the vegetables also we can order, right? So like this, we have the many services in as per your organization. So whatever the services like anything, like Microsoft Office, everything you can order from the service request application. It is like a fulfillment application. So what as per your needs, they will fulfill your applications. Okay. So next one is the knowledge base application. We can call it as a KB article something. Okay. The KB means knowledge base. So in knowledge base application, your company has many policies like a security policies, attendance policy, leave policy, and the reimbursement policy. So everything they can publish in the KB article. Okay, and I will show how the KB article works. Okay. So they can publish the articles, policies, leave policies, company post acts, some acts might be there. So you can publish them in the KB article. They are having some issue with this instance. Okay, that's why it is getting red. Okay, let it open. Okay, in the KB article, we can maintain all the company related policies and some acts, some POSH acts, some security acts, some they will publish it through the KB article. So all these applications will come under the ITSM modules. So incident management, problem management, change management, and service request management, and the knowledge management. So so initially we cover all these ITSM applications, and addition to this IT application, I'm also going to cover with asset management and configuration management and discovery. Okay, I'm also going to cover with these three applications in our training. So asset management, why we use this asset management, I will give a demo. Okay, it's a small example. So in company, we might have the computers, printers, networks, devices, and Wi-Fi routers, everything inside. So everything we need to know how many we have, how many are being used, and who is using that. So everything we can maintain in the asset management, like a financial, how much it costs, and what are the softwares we purchase, like a Microsoft Office licenses we purchase. So how many being are used and how many, so how many are not used, and who are, like if employee left the company, but still that license is assigned to him. So we need to revoke the license from him. So like that, every details we can maintain in the configuration management. And let's come to this configuration. Everything we maintain in asset management, like a financial and contractual details. So let's come to configuration management. So in the configuration management, we maintain all the relations between the assets and business services applications. We maintain all the research and their health. If I'm there in your company, we are using some 50 Windows servers are there for the application purpose. So everything we maintain in the configuration management of their health, whether is the server is up or down, whether it is using the 100% CPU usage, RAM usage, and space. If you have the 1 TB in some server, but it is going to be exceeded the space. So everything you can use in the configuration manager. We can maintain the health of the each device, each configuration item. Okay. So those we maintain in the configuration item. So under discovery, okay. So let's take a discovery in your company, in your organization. There are thousands of the configuration items are there, like whether it is Windows Server or it is Microsoft licenses, everything. So it is difficult to enter into the configuration management database. So what we do is discovery automatically it scans with your company server IP. So if you provided the IP address, so it scans your entire system, it take the data and it update in the configuration management. So it automates the process of the putting information in the configuration management. So this is I'm going to explain about this application, including with the ITSM application. These all are coming under the ITOM applications, IT operations management application, this configuration and discovery and asset everything. So I'm going to put real-time scenarios with how the discovery and configuration works. Okay, and till now we just completed the course content of the our training. So do you have any special requirements? Do you want to learn any more applications in ServiceNow? Please just you can put in the chat. Otherwise, you can speak in now. You can ask what do you have any speaker? I'm going to cover ITSM and ITOM applications in our training. Okay. Okay, do you have any requirement for the HRSD, CSM, and field service management, telecommunications management? Okay, so if you want to learn, you can ask me. So I will prepare separate course content for that. Okay, so in this training we are going to cover. Okay, so people who are trying to shift to the service now, if they learn now ITSM, everybody is learning ITSM. So very difficult to get job with ITSM, only with ITSM. But if you learn ITOM also, it will be added advantage your resume. Your resume can easily can be shortlisted by the recruiter. Okay. So previously 3 years back only ITSM you can get job, but now market is increased and many people are working. The service now professionals are increased. So now you have to be up. You have to be in the top in the all the service now professionals. So you need to learn whether ITSM plus ITOM, though two applications you have to learn. Okay. Any questions as
Yeah,
of now?
okay.
Yes, please. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will start our course details now here. Okay. So our training will be every day 1 hour. Okay. It would be 6 to 7 p.m. Okay. Every day 1 hour and 15 minutes question and answers. Okay. So 1 hour, I will explain the training content of the what of the as per the syllabus, and 15 minutes you can ask your questions about the previous classes and in the present class, whatever the questions you have. So we can for the 15 minutes I will give, and I will give some every day some task. So before coming to the next day class, you have to ask some doubts. Otherwise, and you can also show whatever the task you have completed and how did you complete it. So it can we can exchange the data, that knowledge between other teammates also you can exchange. Okay, other members on our training. So I'm going to cover, as I discussed earlier, I'm going to cover admin part and the development part and integration. So I will explain what it is integration. So ServiceNow can exchange data between the other tools, any other tools in your organization. So your organization using multiple applications, right? So if they want to update anything in the ServiceNow, they can request from their application to directly into the ServiceNow. So I will explain how to integrate ServiceNow with any other tools. How we are going to that integration I will explain. Okay. And it is some everything. So every day we the record session will be shared to you. Okay, and you can follow the record session. If you have any questions, please you can ask in the tomorrow class. Okay. And so resume preparation. So at the end of the course, I will help you to resume preparation and mock interviews. In the weekend support, I am also available in the institute in the weekend, so you can come and ask your questions. And if you want to elaborate more explanation on any topic, you can come to on Saturday to institute, and I will be there, and we can discuss the and mock interviews also. I will take resume preparation also. I will help, and I can refer you once you put the resume into market. So I will refer you wherever the positions are open. I have many connections in other companies also. So I will refer you to there to go and give the interview. Okay. And mock interviews, I will give all the questions. So how the other companies are asking. Okay. So okay. And you have any questions? Any doubts? Yeah.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, this is Harshita. Actually,
Yes.
I
Yes.
have 7 years experience in non-IT mapping.
Okay. Yeah.
How much experience I mean, like, I can give,
Yeah.
put in the
Yeah.
service now? Like,
Yeah, I minimum 4 to 5 years experience you have to try, and at the end of the training you almost get experience rate, because I every day cover with the real time scenarios, whatever the scenarios I get in my real time. So I will explain to you. So automatically you will get 3 to 4 experience, and if you practice well, you can easily crack the interview. So now
mm,
market if you put the 4 years experience, then easily you can get many calls. If you put like less experience,
yeah.
you may not. But freshers also, they can learn this. Freshers also sometimes openings are there. But if you put some experience, then only you will get many calls. Okay.
How is the
And
market now? I mean, I have no idea
market
about this. Oh, yeah.
market is good now. So many customers are using service now. We have the shortage of the many professionals, and let's see, in my company also we are unable to find the right candidates since last 2 months. So
Okay.
so my market openings are there, but so we have to be ready when the market is has good. In January you may get good calls as per the market stage, but you have to be ready. So every day, if you practice every day, don't know when you will get good company interview. So you have to clear it there.
Okay. And how long we can expect service now in the market? I mean, this AI
Yeah, you
and
can
all.
next. Yeah, now Servicenow using AI and machine learning, everything Servicenow using. Next to 10 years, Servicenow will be top, and their Servicenow is not upgrade, not stop, did not stop upgrading it. So as per the industry, whatever the new features are coming, AI, everything, Servicenow keeps on upgrading to up to the market level.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, next
Okay.
10 years, ServiceNow will be the top of the ITSM tool. Now you can also, because I'm a trainer, I'm telling that. But if you go and check in the Google, so you can check that what are the top ITSM tools in the industry. You can see the ServiceNow will be the top one.
Okay. Yeah, actually, mine is mapping, non-IT mapping. Do you have any
Yeah.
idea? Yeah. So,
No,
not it,
you can learn easily. ServiceNow is very easy to learn for the
easy.
non-ITs
Yeah. Okay.
also. Yeah,
Okay.
it's very easy to learn. So if you in the first three classes, you will understood how it is, how much easy it is. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And the total days, I forgot to mention, the total days is a 60-day course, 2 months, almost 2 months. It may extend to the some 5 classes, depends upon the maybe holidays and how the classes are continuing. So it may total is 60 days and daily 1 hour and 50 minutes on admin and the main our the roles. So and, don't stick to the only admin topics. You have to learn the development also. If you put development experience, then only your profile will get shortlisted. Once you get job, it depends upon your luck whether you go to administrator or development. So it depends upon your luck, but you have to learn both admin topics and as well as the development topics and the integration also. If you put integration, your percentage will be go little 10% will go higher. Okay, the chances are going higher. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Hi.
Yes. Yes,
Actually, I would
Gayatri.
like to know more info about the certifications such as CSA and CAD.
Yes,
How
yes.
will
So I will have the dumps also. So service no certification. So as of now, it is not a free of cost. So once you got job into any organizations like a Cognizant or TCS, with that only we can able to write the service no certifications. So previously they used to, we used to pay the credit card, but now ServiceNow has removed that option. So you have to get the job with because they are giving some vouchers. With the vouchers we can't get it from the outside, only we have to we work in any IT service organization, then only you will get a voucher. But I will once you get voucher, but I have many terms I will many for the CS and CAD applications, so you can easily crack the with the dumps. I will provide the dumps to you. Certification help also we will do.
okay.
But during the training session, once you before getting job, very difficult to do the certification. Okay, but we may somebody is selling the vouchers also, but it is not good. Sometimes if they find if they find you an audit, they will cancel your certification. So that is the reason. So once you got job into the what you can tell, right? So actually, service know what they are doing every year, there we have to pay the maintenance fee. So 12,000 something we have to pay the maintenance fee. So if you don't pay, the service no certification will get expired. So in the during the interview, you can tell this one to my service no certification got expired. Previously I did, but it got expired due to the maintenance fee. So, but if I get chance again, I will definitely write the examination. This is the answer you can tell in your interviews. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Please go on. Next one. Can anybody having any questions? Other questions? Yeah, if you don't have any questions, we can close this session. Please go through this recording again and just go through the topics, each topic. And if you have any questions, we can ask tomorrow. First class will be tomorrow. I'm going to explain how to create the new instance, free instance with our Gmail. Okay, in the introduction to the new interface, everything I'm going to explain tomorrow class. So please join the tomorrow class. And if you have any questions in during the this our demo session, please make it write it down somewhere. You can discuss in the tomorrow class. Okay. Okay. Thanks for joining today's session, and we will meet tomorrow again. Thank you.